morning. It is currently around 7 a.m. and I am on my way to go to a work trip in Palm Springs. We're waking up bright and early because I have a work call at 10 a.m. and then we also obviously need to set up the rooms. Basically, it's going to be an influencer retreat, so we're inviting around 8 influencers to Drift Hotel in Palm Springs, and then we're gonna set up those retreats that you see on like Revolve. I'm so excited. We're doing a lot of gifting and then different activities and then taking content of it. Here is all the goodies. We have a ton of boxes of all the brand goodies that I'm bringing. So we have Lesser Evil, we have all of this is Poppy, and then in here we have some candy and other goodies that I'll probably show you while I do a setup of the event space. But take around like 2 hours to go to Palm Springs. The team is picking us up and then driving over. Guys, we are here. This background is crazy, but we made it to Palm Springs and I just did my work call and now I'm going to go to the room and see the setup. Like, look at that view.